Here at our showroom, we have some automated water security products I'd like to show you. Over here we have a valve display set up. We have brass, bronze, stainless steel, high carbon. Our valves come with manual rough-in handles. Makes it really nice for our plumbers to install our systems. Handles are removable, and then we can connect our actuators, such as this 2-inch valve fits our industrial actuator. This type of actuator setup is really nice for large applications, large pipe size diameters. We can go all the way up to 48-inch with larger actuators. But for an example, we can set this actuator up and have control with this on different multiple floor levels or opposite ends of a building. Gives you a great emergency water shut off in different events. Over here we have our residential and light commercial actuator and valve setups. First we'll look at our leak stop. This is great for apartments, small condos. The mechanical room where we have that 3/4 inch coming in. We can run a hardwire sensor behind the wash machine. We can take another sensor and get it on that hot water tank. So we have anything happens inside that mechanical room. This simple version here, shut that water off in just a few seconds. This setup over here is our common for our residential homes. This is great for crawl spaces, back of the garage. We get that 3/4 inch, 1 inch, 1 1/4 inch supply line coming in. We can set this up with a series of sensor network. And we can shut that water off in 4 seconds whenever we detect a leak behind a wash machine, refrigerator, ice maker line, dishwasher, hot water heater. So our dual sensor here, we can set this up, for an example, behind the dishwasher on one side. And the other side we can put underneath the kitchen sink. So with one transmitter, we can detect water from either source and shut that water off in just a few seconds. Here we'll take a look at the back of our control panel. Down here we have ports set up for various applications, including a second valve. If we have a setup where we have a hot and cold coming in, for example a condo, we can set up a dual actuator and valve setup where we can shut the hot and cold off if any sensor detects a water leak, or if the owner would simply like to have water control by pushing the button on and off. We can shut both valves off simultaneously. We also have different ports down here for relays where we can shut off circulating pumps. We have Cat 5 port in here where we can put a remote control wall switch, such as the one we were looking at before. That may be a different area of the home, different level of the home. And so these products here, we have a great variety of products to fit every application in residential or commercial buildings.